How to remove bank info from Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually remove your bank info from Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your bank information from Cash App, all you have to do is, first of all, let's say you have linked a bank account, you want to unlink it, go ahead and launch Cash App. Once you launch Cash App, you want to make sure to tap your profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right, just scroll down, you'll find a section where it says linked banks that you see over here. So you want to make sure to just tap on the linked banks option. As and when you do that, if you've linked any type of bank over here, you will see those lists over here. When you just tap on it, you will have the option to remove the bank or to change the bank. So all you need to do is just tap the remove button, follow the on-screen instructions, and your bank account will be successfully removed from your Cash App account. And that's it for today's video on how you can remove your bank from Cash App. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.